Let's make mayonnaise in 30 seconds. To make your mayonnaise using an immersion blender, you want to use a pot that's only slightly wider than the width of your blender. To your container, add 1 very fresh egg, 1 tablespoon 14 grams of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of vinegar, I'm using apple cider, and about half a teaspoon 3 grams of salt. I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of whey that I've borrowed from my Greek yogurt to help the mayonnaise last longer in the refrigerator. We're adding in 1 cup 236 milliliters of avocado oil. You can use any neutral oil you like. Let it settle for about 30 seconds. Gently put the immersion blender into the pot so that it's fully encompassing the egg. You want the immersion blender to sit on the very bottom of your pot. Then on high speed, just start blitzing. After about 10 seconds of leaving your blender at the bottom, slowly start to pull it upwards and you can see just how quickly that's come together. It's so quick and super glossy and delicious. This is the perfect way to make mayonnaise. Season with salt and lemon juice to your preference. If you're using whey, make sure to let your mayonnaise sit on the counter for 6 hours and then store it in the refrigerator for up to 4 weeks. If you're not using the whey, store it in the refrigerator immediately and it should last about 2 weeks.
In my opinion, the best way to use mayonnaise is in a cheese and onion sandwich. Check out my recipe here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. See you next time.